Hey folks, once again, it's Captain James Nelson here with Dude Craft Guitars. You know what this is? This is the first demo of 2023. Now I've got some others that are going to be coming up here very shortly. But in the meantime, check out this one. And yes, look at this. The reason why I've got the whole thing set up on wide angle is because this is a full 42-inch scale bass. Yeah, it's about 48 inches total in length. And that's without having a headstock. So you can imagine. I mean, that's just, it's a beast. As a matter of fact, we don't quite have a name for it yet. I think I've just been calling it the Beast. That may be taken by somebody already. I don't know. But anyway, we're going to come up with a name for it. And we're also going to do a really good photo shoot. In the meantime, please check out the comment section or the info section. Yeah, check out the info section for the info. Yeah, check it out. It's got all the details in there. But as you can see, look at that. It is swamp ash for the wings, and it is a neck-thru Maple-Walnut-Maple with rosewood fretboard. And I'm going to give you a little sound sample. Now, as most of you know, I'm barely a guitar player and much less of a bass player, but I'm going to do something with it. And for those of you who just got done eating a bunch of tacos and burritos, hold on. That note is coming. This thing is low. It is EO is the tuning on it. It can go lower. I tried, but you know, my family revolted. Now I'm just playing out of a guitar amp, and bear with me too. I don't know where my little microphone thing is. It's been that long since I've done a demo, done a video, and I do apologize for those of you who like watching, and consider a reward for those of you who don't. So anyway. So low. How low is it? This right here would be your normal bass. This is a 12th fret right here. Okay, now I've got all these cranked up. I don't know exactly what all these do. I do know this is the master volume, and I do know that this is the pickup selector. So blend it again. But I'm also changing the EQ. So it does have like really just awesome EQ stuff going on. So yeah, Kate picked out all the electronics. On the whole body design, and he wanted a particular neck taper to go. This is a true custom made guitar. Matter of fact, I got to figure out where to put a logo on this thing. So that's what it sounds like with me playing it. Imagine a real bass player. What's it like with distortion? It's going to sound like thud with distortion. Ready? EMG soap bars, man. Just a wonderful pickup. It was really fun to make this thing. Like I said, not quite done with it. I still got to put the strap pegs on it and do a real photo shoot. We're going to do this one in a photo studio with a real photographer too. I will make more of these. I can make more. And I want to make more. So if you're looking for something like this, even half is ridiculous. If you want to go with a shorter scale, that's fine. If you want to do a 6-string, if you want to do an electric guitar with this body shape, as you see, I'm not opposed to doing different various body shapes. So just about anything can happen here at Dude Craft Guitars, and I try to make it that way. So once again, thanks folks for supporting Dude Craft Guitars. Thanks for signing in to the channel. If you'd like to see more, please hit that subscribe button. If you like this one, press the like button. Even if you don't like this one, press the like button anyway, because that, you know, or leave a comment. Tell me what you like or don't like, what you want to see. We'll be revamping it. Right now I'm just trying to catch up on orders. It's more important than videos, but we do like them. So making videos, talking to you guys, going over stuff. I've got some things that I want to do as far as educational type videos in mind. Please leave comments. Let me know what you would like to see though, before I start spreading my ideas. Let's hear some of yours. All right. Thanks again for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars.